I got my tailwheel! AeroNerd here, and I wanted to share this exciting accomplishment with all of you in this amazing Cintabria, or Cintabria? I don't even know how to spell it. Google, I guess. Anyway, specs on this Cintabria: got the Lycoming 320 A2B 4-cylinder with a whopping 150 horsepower, loaded with a full 6-pack. Got the tow brakes, IFR package, I mean everything. So it has pretty much everything, just shy of air conditioning. So this thing is really, I highly recommend this one if you consider getting your tail wheel. And during the next 15 minutes, you'll witness me struggle a little, but getting better and better as I practice 3-point landings and wheel landings, both with headwind and crosswind components. For those of you who don't know, 3-point landings is landing with all gear at the same time simultaneously, so front mains and your tail wheel will touch the ground at the same time. Wheel landings is just touching your front two mains, pretty much balancing the aircraft just on the two mains, slowing down until the tail wheel slowly drops to the runway. So I won't be commentating too much, as I feel you will be more immersed by hearing the interesting Instructor, tower, and other traffic radio communications. You know, it's funny, I love the New Smyrna Tower because that's where I do these touch and goes. And they are so laid back. I wonder sometimes, I'm like, are they allowed to say that? I mean, they're really having conversations and stuff on the radio, which you'll hear shortly, as well as IFR plan readbacks and all that more interesting conversations than me commentating. Anyway, sit back, relax, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
I'll back now. What I want you to do is flip the frequency for me on the #1 radio. Okay. That's right there.
I got the traffic 12 o'clock.
Yep. And this is Brent House, it's Tailwheel 813 kilometer.
Tailwheel 813 kilometer. Good evening, Paul. How are you?
Yes, Jeff, we're just northeast side of Massey, 1,000 feet with the bike. Like to get in the pad if we could.
Tailwheel 3 kilo Mike and a right base runway 11.
Right base 11, thanks, Gilly.
All right.
This runway 11, I think the wind's like about 130 or something, 140, something like that.
Okay.
That's it, nice down the runway. Still fast though, you're really fast, so you want to slow up. So look down the runway. Now hold it off, keep pulling back, hold it off. Very slowly, don't yank. Very slowly, hold it off, hold it off. Right? So you gave that little yank, you know, you kind of stopped it for a second.
Right.
Alright, I got the airplane, you ready flaps?
Okay.
Ready trim?
Ready trim?
Alright, so yours, eyes down the runway.
Okay.
Maybe just a little touch of a right cross, but not much. Pretty much right down the runway, huh?
Too much.
That's it, so ease it up on the mains.
Traffic at 526, runway 11, clear touch and go, make left traffic.
Having 526, clear touch and go.
Oh, that one just lifted right up.
Yeah, it'll do that, you know.
Okay, the male voice in 619, can you handle the transmissions? The female's microphone's got a lot of static in it.
No problem, sir.
619, thank you.
Yeah, big difference on those two headsets, huh? Oh my
Or
God.
just give her your mic.
Don't give her any ideas.
3 kilo Mike, you're following sets of traffic on a 1 mile final runway 11, clear for touch and go.
Hey, #2, kilo Mike, thanks.
3 kilo Mike, there's a Baron just crossing the final. I don't know where he's going, indicating 1,300.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah, we see
That
it.
was 619, follow this is Tailwheel runway 11, clear for touch and go.
Follow the traffic, clear for touch and go. 619er.
That was 619, Baron heading off your right side, not talking to him. I don't know what he's doing.
They had me going in the wrong frequency there. Sorry, I just now picked you up.
Okay, who am I talking to?
This is Baron 58P 1717 Sierra.
Baron 1717 Sierra, this is Brent Tower, Roger. Let's see, it is information November is Kurt. Just go over to the lighthouse and then make a right turn back for left downwind runway 11.
Lighthouse, right turn for 11. Thank you, appreciate it. They had me stuck. There was one guy talking. I couldn't get in at all. He was talking for quite a while.
Phoenix 39 Tower.
Phoenix 39, go ahead.
Phoenix 39, just enter right base runway 11, just enter the base.
Enter right base for runway 11, Phoenix 39.
That's it, look down the runway. Very slowly, hold it
Phoenix
off.
39
Hold
Tower,
it off.
traffic 9 o'clock at a mile southbound 1,300.
Hold it off, hold it off.
Looking for traffic, Phoenix 39. Traffic is in sight.
That's nice. Got the airplane. 30 flaps. Alright, it's all yours.
Alright.
Phoenix
Down
39,
the
number
runway.
1, now runway 11, clear for
There
let you
you
go.
Number 1, now runway 11, clear for touch and go.
Look down the runway and hold it off. That's it. Just be patient. That's it. Nice and straight. Good.
Hey, eyes down the runway.
Nice down the runway. Look down the runway. So get down close and hold it
7566
off.
Seminoles on the left base, just about a mile
That's it,
out,
hold
about your
it
11
off.
o'clock.
Beautiful. Nice and straight. Alright, I got the airplane. Alright, you got it. Do the additional power.
7566, you can circle your discretion, Seminoles.
That's it.
inside of
Roll it up on the main.
11, clear to land.
Alright, think about 1001, 1002 and rotate. There you go. Take a couple of seconds, you know.
Yep.
Newsman Tower, Picard 697, this will be our last lap to a full stop.
607 Tower, roger. 3 Kilo Mike, runway 11, cleared, touch and go, you're number 1.
I'm going to kill him like this.
So all those landings previously were all three-pointer landers. This was my first wheel landing. And it's just wheel landings from here on out.
So get down there. That's it, hold it off. That's it, beautiful. Beautiful. Now just slowly lower the tail. That's it. Just down, stick all the way back. Perfect. Nice, these are nice. Good, nice. Wants a short approach? We'll give him a short approach.
Just around tower, Picard 533, traffic inside.
533, number 2, runway 7, clear to land.
Number 2, clear to land, runway 7 at Picard 533.
And here we're just going to forward slip until we're literally 3 feet over the runway.
Oh, cool. Oh, love it. How cool is that? That's amazing.
Oh, a little bounce. But it's a good example. If you get a little bounce,
Yeah.
just a little bit of power.
And, yeah,
Alright?
nice.
So don't chase it with the stick, okay? Just a little touch of power, okay?
Right.
Just a little showing off here, going down the runway on just the right main wheel.
Smyrna Beach Tower, get up from Falcon 10 November Lima on the visual approach runway 7.
Alright, 0 November Lima to Smyrna Tower, runway 7, clear to land.
I is showing off now.
Tower for 10 November Lima, do you have clearance for us?
180 November Lima, I do, sir. Advise ready to copy.
Go ahead.
Falcon 180 November Lima, you're clear to Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport. Radar vectors Mallet. That's Mike Alpha Lima Echo Tango. Direct to Tango Romeo Victor, then as filed. Maintain 1,500. Expect flight level 210, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency will be Daytona approach 125.35, squawk 3204.
For Falcon 10 November Lima is cleared to Fort Lauderdale Executive via radar vectors to Mallet and Tango Romeo
beautiful,
Victor,
nice.
file. Climb to 1,500, expect to 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 125.35
These are real good times,
and
real
squawk
good.
3204.
Falcon 0 November Lima, the readback is correct. Advise ready
Alright, I
taxi.
got it.
We will. Thank you.
Alright, you got it.
Hey, Smyrna Tower, Picard 599, holding short there on May 118 Bravo, ready for departure.
Yeah, we got 599, Smyrna Tower, runway 11, proceed on course to the south, you cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, proceed on course to the south, Picard 599.
Just see those feet. I'll tell you one thing, you're doing a really good job finding the ground. That's the whole name of the game of wheel landers.
Yeah.
Being able to get close to the ground. You're doing a real good job of that. That's full power. On those mains, that's it.
For those of you who have eagle ears. Eagle ears? Is that a thing? Eagle ears? No, eagle eyes. Anyway, yes, the background music is Kerbal Space Program. But it is royal free, so hopefully I don't get copyright fines for this.
Down there, look down the runway. Right at the very end, just back just a little bit. See what I mean?
Yes, Monarch Epic 557, we are northwest of News Monarch 6 nautical mile. We have weather information Delta.
Epic 557, Smyrna Tower, you're number 2 for runway 7. You're following us to Tabria, midfield left downwind, runway 7, clear to land.
We are number 2 and follow the aircraft. We are clear for the runway 7, Epic 557.
That's the tower.
3 Kilo Mike, your sequence in front of us, Cessna 5 northwest, runway 7, clear touch and go.
Number 1, Kilo Mike, thanks.
But you always knew you were number 1, Paul.
Thanks, buddy.
I wish our tower guys in Daytona was cool like this.
Yeah, you know what, I've been here so long, you know.
Yeah.
The big thing is when you come out of the slip, okay, put the right pedal back in, okay, put the right pedal back in, you'll increase your rate of descent a little bit, okay?
Alright.
Now, when you come out, look down, make sure you look way down the runway, don't look too close to the airplane.
Okay.
Down the end of the runway, alright, and let it get down close, a little hold it off, hold it off, hold it off, that's it, a little. There you go. Go with your feet. Good, nice. Nice. Alright, get rid of your flaps. There you go. That's it, beautiful, nice. Nice.
The main thing I learned to be a successful tailwheel pilot is you always have to move your feet. And all you tailwheel pilots out there, you're probably nodding your head right now. It's like, yep, that's absolutely true. Because the second you stop moving your feet, that's when the plane wants to do all kinds of things. The tailwheel always wants to be in front of the plane. So in order to prevent that, you're always moving your feet all the time.
Alright, it's going to be a right turn south down the road for Kilo Mike.
3 Kilo Mike, approved as requested. Have a good night, Paul. Thanks for stopping by and saying hello.
Okay, Jeff, thanks for the good service. Always appreciate it.
Roger that, man. If I don't talk to you between now and then, have a safe trip up north. I'm working through Monday, so that's the last time I'll talk to you till you're back in the fall.
Okay, always appreciate your service, man.
Thanks for the comments, man. Have a great night.
You as well. Do you get up north at all in the summer at all?
What's that, where?
We were planning to go September this year and rent a house up on Scarborough Beach. I mean, on Higgins Beach up in Maine, but then my son and his wife are expecting September 4th. My daughter's expecting November 4th, so I might try to sneak up there in August, possibly.
Okay, well, if you get up that way, you know where I am on the Vineyard, you know, say hi.
Give me your number.
Are you ready?
Got it.
And of course, for privacy reasons, I'm not going to give out his phone number, but I will give out his website, which I'll say shortly.
Yeah, you never know. I'm in Nantucket in a while, but are you on? You're more on the Vineyard, right?
Yeah, I'm on the Vineyard at Containment, yep.
Alright, cool. I'll crash on your floor.
Okay, you can always find me, my website is warrentailwheel.com.
Roger that, Paul. Take care, man.
All right, have a good night, thanks.
Hey, is that Paul from Bright Fork Diner?
That's me, who's that?
Woo, Charlie Pecor from Katama.
Hey, man, what's happening?
Not much. Just learning to fly in Spruce Creek. We'll be flying up by the end of the month.
All right, man. Well, I'll see you this summer, I guess.
Roger that.
You talked to Jack?
Januszewski? Yes, I did.
All right, good. Tell him I said hi, man.
Roger that.
Small world, huh?
I know.
I mean, how cool is that? Having a whole conversation over the tower frequency. That's just, wow. That's cool.
So remember to look down the runway. That way you get real close. Perfect. Perfect. Forward with the stick. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, stay with your feet. Remember, when you stick to the left, that's that wind trying to push you around. See it? Right, so go all the way back. Hope he'll hit the brakes.
And swing.
Oh, you got it.
That is so cool.
I can retract your flaps if you want. And right here. Alright, good show, man.
Thank you. This is awesome. Really good training.
Thanks.
Definitely recommend you.
Tell all your friends.
Yeah.
Well, as always, thank you for flying with me today. I hope you enjoyed the flight as much as I did. Of course, I had to cut out a bunch of footage so this video would not be about 5 hours long. We did about 50 landings, so I can feel confident and Jedi-tastic with both my 3-point and wheel landings. For those of you who are thinking about getting tailwheel, do it. Definitely makes you a better pilot for sure. Also, to give you a heads up, stay tuned for my upcoming video where I get my multi-engine add-on rating for my commercial license. And I feel I have to say this since every YouTube video I watch says this, but like, subscribe, comment, I guess, I don't know. They say it, so now I'm saying it. It's supposed to make my videos cooler, right? As always, thanks for watching and fly safe.